important. Every motivational speaker you pay $15,000 to go to Las Vegas and listen to will convince you that belief in yourself is the most important thing you have to have. Yes or yes?
Yes.
Thank you very much. But the reality is, it's not enough. Because you're surrounded by disbelievers, and so you go back Monday morning having paid that $15,000, surround yourself by all the disbelievers, and suddenly you are a disbeliever as well, and you lose all your belief. But even with that, even if you hold on to the belief, if you're doing the same thing over and over again and getting no different outcome, belief is pointless. Yes or yes?
Yes.
It becomes the definition of insanity. And we all know it. I walk into every room and everybody knows the definition. And yet we're all living to it day in and day out.